So you're on your computer, and there's this file or folder that you might not need anymore. So all you do is you wanna delete it. So you right click it, press delete, it won't delete. You do it again, press delete, it just cannot delete. You restart your computer, sign back into your computer, try to delete the file again, and it just won't delete, folks. In this video, we're gonna show you how to unlock a file that you cannot delete in Windows. So how do you do it? All you have to do is open any browser except Internet Explorer, because it's old and probably won't work. Then you're gonna type in Major Geeks space Unlocker. Major Geeks Unlocker. Then press enter. You should see download Unlocker Major Geeks. So click on that and then click the button where it says download locations. And it's asking me where I want to save it. Gonna save it in the downloads folder. So left click save. Once this is opened, just click on the file. It will now ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes from the notebook to your device? As long as it says Unlocker and then the version number, you're all good. So click yes. If it doesn't, click no. Okay, so it's asking me to select my language. So select yours. Click OK. And then there's one wizard. So let's click next, ID, next, install. Okay, so it's now completed. I'm gonna click finish and then go down to the start button, just there, and type in Unlocker. You should see in there. So start Unlocker, so click on that. It will now ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Again, as long as it says Unlocker with a capital U, click yes. If it doesn't, click no. Okay, so this is the folder that I want to delete, guys. So you can't do anything with it. You right click it, press on the recycle bin, and it does nothing, or it comes up saying cannot delete the file. So all you do with Unlocker is browse to the location. So mine's on my desktop and it's called new folder. Select that and then left click OK. Right, for me it says no knocking handle found, because I've only made this for a demonstration. For you it might say knocking handle found. Unlocker can deal with this object. So if you click this up down here and then select the need, then click OK, and you should see this pop-up saying that object was deleted. So there you go. Now was how to unlock a folder that just won't delete for no reason of your computer. Take care.